morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 5th chapter arithmetic progressions. We are doing exercise 5.1. Two sums already I have completed. I will continue with the third sum. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So 4 sums are given. For all these things we are asked to find the first term and the common difference. So the first one is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So A is the first term. So A is equal to 3 here. And the common difference D is A2 minus A1. So A2 is the second term. So 1 minus 3, the difference is minus 2. So A is 3 and D is minus 2. Okay. Then second sum is minus 5 minus 1, 3, 7. So A is equal to minus 5 and common difference D is equal to minus 1 minus 5. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 5. So the difference is 4. D is equal to 4. So A is minus 5 and D is 4. Then third sum is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. So A is 1 by 3 here. And the common difference is second term minus first term. So when we simplify this, we have common denominators. So 5 minus 1. So that is 4 by 3. So D is 4 by 3. And A is 1 by 3. Then fourth sum is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, like that it will go. So, the difference is, the answer will be A is 0.6 and D is, A is 0.6 and D is second term minus first term. So, second term minus first term is 1.1. So, A is 0.6 and D is 1.1. Next sum is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the next 3 terms. So when can we say that the given terms are in AP? If the common difference is same for between the terms. If the common difference between the terms are same, then we can say that the terms are in AP. Okay, so first we will check that. So first sum is 2, 4, 8, 16. So here the first term is 2. And the common difference between the terms is, first one is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 4, 4 minus 2, we are getting the difference as 2. Then next one is 8 minus 4. A3 minus A2 is A minus 4 is 4. Then next difference we are getting as 16 minus 8 as 8. Here the common difference is different. So the given terms are not in AP. The given terms are not in AP. Okay. Then second question is the same procedure will follow. A is equal to 2. D is equal to second term minus first term. So when we simplify this, we have to take LCM. So 5 minus 4 by 2 will get 1 by 2. Okay. So we'll get 1 by 2 will get as the difference. The next difference is 3 minus 5 by 2. So here we will get 6 minus 5 by 2. Here also the difference is 1 by 2. The next term given is 7 by 2 minus 3. So that is equal to 7 minus 6 by 2. That is 1 by 2. So here the common difference is same for all the terms. So the given terms form AP, are in AP. The given terms are in AP. The given terms are in AP. Okay, now if they are in AP, find the common difference and write the next 3 terms. So we have found the common difference as 1 by 2. Then we are asked to find the next 3 terms. So already this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, A4. Till A4 we have found. Now we will find the next term, that is 5th term. A5 is equal to A5 is equal to A4 plus D we can write. So A4 is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus difference is 1 by 2. So we'll get the answer as 8 by 2. So this is A5. Then A6 is A5 plus D. So A5 is 8 by 2 plus common difference is 1 by 2. So that is equal to 9 by 2. Then A7 is A6 plus D. So what is A6? 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 10 by 2. So the next three terms are 8 by 2, 9 by 2 and 10 by 2. Okay, so this 8 by 2 we can write it as 4. Then 9 by 2 we'll get. This 10 by 2 we can write it as 5. So these are the next three terms of the given AP. Okay, then third sum is A is minus 1 by 2. D is A2 minus A1. So this is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So when we find the difference, we'll get the answer as minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2 here. For the next term, minus 5 by 2 minus 3.2. So this will be minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So this one, the difference for this one is also 2. So the next one is minus 7.2 minus 5.2. So this is minus 7.2 plus 5.2. So the difference will be minus 2. So all the difference are same. So the given terms are in AP. The given terms are in AP. Then we are asked to find the next three terms. So till A4 it is given. Now we will find A5. So this is one way to find A4 plus D. Like that also we can find the next term, or else one more thing is there. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. Like this also we can find. So A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into difference we got it as minus 2. So when we simplify this, minus 1.2 minus 8. Minus 1.2 minus 8, we will get it as minus 9.2. Okay, then A6 is A plus 5D. So that is equal to minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1.2 minus 10. 5 2s are 10. So minus 1.2 minus 10 is minus 11.2. Then A7 is A plus 6D. So that is equal to minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2. So that is minus 1.2 minus 12. So that is minus 13.2. So the next three terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. These are the next three terms for the given AP. Okay. Next sum is fourth one. So first term for this is A. A is equal to minus 10. Then D is equal to second term minus first term. So minus 6 plus 10, the difference is 4. The next difference is minus 2 minus minus 6. So that is equal to minus 2 plus 6. This is also 4. Then the next difference is 2 minus minus 2. So this is 2 plus 2. This is equal to 4. So all the difference are same here. So the given terms are in AP. So the given terms are in AP. So they are in AP. Okay, so now we'll find the next terms. A5. A5 is A4 plus D. So A4 is 2. 2 plus difference is 4. So we'll get 6. Then A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then A7 is A6 plus D. So A6 is 10. 10 plus 4, that is equal to 14. So the next three terms of the given AP is 6, 10 and 14. Then the next sum is A is equal to 3. D is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So we will get root 2 as the difference. Then the next one is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So this is Plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2 again. So D is equal to, then next one is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. So the difference is same here. So they form AP. They are in AP. The given terms are in AP. So now we will find the next term. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. So A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So we will get 3 plus 4 root 2. Then A6. A6 is A5 plus D. So A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 is A6 plus D. So this is A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the next three terms. That is 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, then 3 plus 6 root 2. Then the last sum is A is equal to 0.2 and D is second term minus first term. So the difference will be 0.02. Then the next difference is 0.222 minus 0.22. So 222 minus 22 means 002 we will get. So this is equal to 0.002. So here when we check the difference, this is 0.02 and this one is 0.002. So they are not in AP. Since the difference are not same, the given terms are not in AP. The given terms are not in AP. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.